Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here with day number 2 of the orange theme that we got going on. And I know you guys probably noticed that I did not upload the day after I uploaded the first video, and that's because I decided, I'm trying to do the math of this pregnancy, and I don't want to overdo my content all in one bulk at a time, so I kind of want to spread them out a little bit, so that way when I do have the baby I still have other content already pre-recorded to keep you guys entertained until I'm ready to fully come back after having my baby. So yeah, so going back to the regular schedule. Okay, it's still 4 videos a week though, so that's still a lot. Yeah, I still get the vlogs back, and I still planning on mixing other content in the mix of me doing the color theme, because I do plan on doing all the colors until I have this baby. So I think I have a total of 8 more colors to do. There's green, there's red, what other colors I didn't do? Pink, black, gray, nude, aka beige, and then I want to do rainbow. So yeah, 7 more colors to do. Like I'm missing one, but 7 more colors to do for this thing, so that's definitely going to carry you guys out all the way until my due date. And plus I want to have other content in between it, because I feel like by me doing this, it's stopping me from doing my other content videos, like my hair review videos, the new makeup top, any other stuff that I would like to bring to you guys. So I hope you guys appreciate it and don't mind it. So orange theme is still going to go, but it's not going to be within like 1 week. It's probably going to be spread out to 2.5 weeks or just 2 weeks alone, depending on what other content I have to put in between. So if you guys don't see the next orange theme by tomorrow, don't worry. If you guys don't see it by Friday, don't worry. It might be up Saturday, it might be up next week Monday. Just make sure you guys just notification bell is on, y'all subscribe, y'all good, and y'all support, okay? So anywho, like I said, we're back with day 2 for orange theme. Funny thing is, I did a look already for day 2. I didn't like it at all. I did not like it. I did not like it. I did not like it. I was in the process of trying to edit it, and I just kept looking at it. I was like, something's off. And it was a really pretty look, but I felt like the palette that I used, it made me feel a little off about the look. I was trying to stick to that palette, and it just, I felt like it didn't work. So I'm not gonna say I'm gonna recreate it, because I think I want to recreate it another day, but I'm getting inspired by that look in a sense. Yeah, because it was a yellow, orange, it was yellow, orange, pink, and blue. Yes, a lot of colors. I was trying to be very colorful, but I just feel like either the placements of where I had the colors didn't work for me, or I don't know. So I might have to redo that one. But if you guys watch my vlogs, you guys probably will see the look that I'm talking about. And I got a lot of compliments about it because I went to work that day. I just didn't personally like it myself. So anywho, we're going to do another recreation of a bright, colorful look, because I don't want all of my orange looks to be repetitive, like look the same. So I kind of want to keep it, you know, kind of fun. You know, orange is a very beautiful color. It can go with so many other colors. That's one thing I do like about orange. Like, it's one of those colors that can go good with like a lot of different colors. So I am going to be using my GLOWUP Academy palette. If y'all have not seen this palette before, this was my #1 favorite palette for 2021. What it looks like. Yes, get into the colors. Yes. And I don't think I used any of the oranges in here, or the pink. Well, I did use pink, but definitely not that bright orange. And it's a curly peach orange. So I was like, ooh, let's use this palette for today. So I want to zoom you guys in and get started on this look. The first shade I want to grab towards is this beautiful matte yellow. And I'm going to pop this in my crease. This is going to be like the transition color. Just kick off this look. I like the fact that I barely had to put any effort towards that yellow eyeshadow. Like, it's very, very pigmented. So next I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's like an orange brown, and then this is gonna go right in my crease, so right underneath that yellow. And I'm gonna kind of blend it now so I can fade more into that yellow a lot better. So I did cut my crease off camera, and now we're gonna go in for some beautiful color blends. I think I want to deepen up my crease a little too. I was trying to keep it simple because I don't know how these colors is gonna go against my crease. Now I'm thinking out loud. I think I should have went a little bit darker at my crease, which I still can do that just right after I apply my lid color. So I'm gonna try this beautiful bright orange. So I'm gonna go in with this orange, and then I'm gonna go in with this pink. That's vibrant. That's, I knew it was going to be, because you can tell in the palette it's very deep, dark, and vibrant in the palette by itself. Alright, now I'm going in for that pretty pink shade. Now look how vibrant. This is why this palette was #1. Look how vibrant these eyeshadows are. Like, I'm barely putting any pigmentation on the brush. And it's like, it's amazing. So like I said, I want to deepen my crease. I'm just taking, like, I think this is a dark brown. Sometimes it's hard to figure out what colors are what in this palette. But I think this is either a dark brown or a really pretty dark purple. So I'm just going to take this shade. I'm going to blend it in the outer part of that lid. And then I want to take a little bit of that in the crease part. I don't want to go all the way across with the shade, just like only towards the outer part right here. Alright, so I'm going to do a glitter cut crease on the top. I'm just debating if I want to do this gold or if I want to do this pretty orange glitter. And I can't seem to find the box that comes with the other shades, because I think I have one in there and I just can't think right now. Don't know where it's at, so I'm about to finesse this look and see how it goes. So I'm going to try the gold first, and if I don't like it, then I'll mix the orange in it. I think I like the gold because it's bringing a little bit of like difference out there. I'm going to keep with the gold. That's that. That looks really pretty. Then for my inner, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I decided somehow my look needed more glitter. So I'm just taking this, I forgot what it's called, glitter gel by ColourPop. And I'm trying my best. I kind of put too much on. I was just trying to lean towards the orange part only, but your girl got a little too carried away, so I'm just taking that, use a little bit of both. It's like the finger or the brush. Alright, so I look a little something like this. Very dramatic. Girl, where you going, to the carnival? Alright, so I did the rest of my face, and I did go ahead and just did the bottom lash line. I just applied that second color that I put in my crease, which was like that orangey brown. Popped it at the bottom, did a black liner, mascara, boom, okay? So now moving on to the lips. Y'all know this routine. Y'all been watching my tutorials, like, you already know what I'm about to do. So I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil because I love this brown shade pencil. I remember ColourPop used to be like my all-time favorite. Now this NYX one is my new favorite. And being that we got so much going on with the eyes, I'm getting carnival vibes, definitely. I am going to not use this because this is a lip gloss. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe lipstick. This is from the Morphe and Disney and Friends collection. So this is in the shade BOOMIN. It's a really pretty like nude shade. So I kind of want to keep this lip matte today, but I totally did not hydrate my lips. My lips are like really dry, so just want to show you guys. This is really cute. Like I definitely would have worn this matte if I would have moisturized my lips, but I did not. They are very dry and hurting, so I'm going to add some gloss right on top of it. I'm going to try not to put so much though. And just to bring some more of that color back into my lips, I'm going to reapply the lipstick. And the last thing I need to do is add some blush, because I just realized I didn't have it. I was like, wait, something's missing on my face. We need some blush. All right, and we're going to pink it out with this beautiful pink blush by Bakerie. Tap that. I'm just going to apply that onto the cheeks. So I forgot I had this loose highlighter by ColourPop, and this one is called BOOMIN. This was like one of my favorite highlighters, and it is very vibrant, like for real, in your face vibrant. I'm gonna try not to get too carried away. I'm gonna apply this onto my nose and of course my cheek area. Whoa. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, definitely a little. Goes a long way. Alright my love, so this is going to complete today's look. I really do hope you guys like this look, because I ain't gonna lie, when I first was doing it I was like, girl, where you going with this? Because it was coming off a little too dramatic, but I feel like now that everything is put together, I like it. I like this one. But yes, I love the splash of glitter. It's giving me carnival vibes. It's very dramatic, but the face is bringing everything together, and that's the whole key I think with any color looks. If you're doing like a bright colorful bold on the eyes, make sure everything goes well. Like don't do this with an orange lip or a pink lip or a red lip, like it's, unless that's what you're going for. But if you want to look a little bit more wearable and more presentable without looking clownish, you can do this. Now there is some looks that you can get away with doing, like bold on the eyes and bold on the lips, and I will later show you guys that. And I'll probably later throughout the this color theme I'll show you guys how to create looks like that. But for now, your girl's into these nude lips, so y'all gonna have to accept that and roll with the punches. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the outfit. So let's do a little quick little right here. Today's outfit is very simple. It's a white crop top with an orange skirt. The other outfit I had in mind to wear, it was not going. And y'all know the routine. I told you I struggle with orange clothing. I can probably get away with orange makeup a little bit better, but orange clothing is on a whole nother level. But I hope you guys still like the outfit and everything. Everything's put together and cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll be back with my next orange theme look, probably, if not by this week, by the end of this week. But I will have other content to keep you guys entertained. So you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll see you guys in my next one.